Okay guys, you can see how do you enable a BitLocker for a system disk C drive where you have operating system and several other files. So you can enable a BitLocker for C drive with or without password. So in this tutorial, how do you enable a BitLocker for a C drive with password and even with a key. So it's because of TPM model. So what you guys gonna do, you're gonna enable some more features in TPM. So you have to press Windows and R key. This will open, run, press the Windows and R together. And then you're going to type over here, group policy edit. It's a GP group policy. It's a GP edit, EDIT, GP edit dot MSC and press enter key. So even you can check it before going with this. Here you have this PC, give a right click on it and click on manage. So click on the manage, you can see here you have a device manager. Inside device manager, somewhere you're going to see security device. In security device, make sure you have a trusted platform module, it's a TPM. If you do not have this, you can just skip these steps. You can just directly try enabling this encryption, BitLocker encryption. So if you have a TPM model, you have to just enable some features. Okay guys, this will open this group policy editor. It's a computer configuration. You can just make a little bit big. Okay, here you have a computer configuration. Just drop down icon, click on that, and then you're gonna choose this administrative template. Here a drop down icon. You're gonna choose Windows component. So inside Windows component, when you click on this, on the right side you're going to see this, where you have somewhere is a BitLocker encryption. Click on that. Inside that BitLocker encryption, you're going to see operating system drive. Click on this operating system drive and then require additional authentication at startup. So here you have, okay, let me make it a little bit bigger. So you have two different options, require additional authentication. So you're going to choose this first one. Even you can, so you can just read over here. So the requirement is all this. So these all are the minimum requirements. So you're running the Windows 10. You're gonna choose this first option. Give a double click on it, and then you're gonna just enable it and make sure this is checked. If it is unchecked, you just have to check this box. This will allow the TPM require password or a startup key on a USB flash drive. Now you just have to click on apply and OK. So click on apply and now click on OK. So once you can see it is enabled now. Once you're done that, you just have to go to the start icon and type control. Here's a control panel. You're going to type over here and open the control panel. So you might see the icon like this. You're going to go to this drop down icon and choose a small icon. And then you're going to choose BitLocker drive encryption. And then click on here's a C drive. It's a turned off, turn on BitLocker. You can see you can enter a pin recommended. Insert a USB flash drive or let BitLocker automatically unlock my drive. So if you want to enter the pin, you can just enter the pin recommended as the option. So you can set the pin of 6 to 20 number. It's long. So the minimum 6, maximum 20. Now you just click on set pin. Once you are done, you need a recovery key. Either you just save it to your Microsoft account or print or save to files. I just like to save to files. You can choose all three different options. Now click on save. So I've saved the file. If you want to save again, you can just save it again. So previous one, okay, let me delete it. So all these are the older one. So this is the new key I would like to save. Okay, no, cancel. Save files, click on save and the file is saved. Even if you want, you can take a printout, you can even save it to your Microsoft account. So whatever you like, you can just do that. Click on next. So you can choose any one. If you are an external drive, if you are trying to encrypt the external drive, you're going to choose this option. That can be moved from this device. One that is fixed to this device, it's good to choose the first option. Click on next and run the BitLocker system check. You check this. If it is on check, you're going to check this box and then click on continue. It can ask you to restart. Click on restart. Okay guys, now you can see it can ask you enter the pin to unlock this drive. So if you cannot enter the pin, if you forgot the pin, the next way is you have to press the escape key and then you're gonna type the recovery key. So in the beginning, for the first time, if you press the escape key, you have seen it will take you to the Windows option and then it will boot and your BitLocker will not be encrypted. It will not be enabled. So at first, if you're doing it for the first time, as you have restarted your PC, you can enter the pin one that you have used, one that you have set while BitLocker encryption. So type the pin correctly. So in order to see the pin, you're going to press the insert key in your keyboard. Now press the enter key. Now you're going to see this window. What you guys going to do? Go to control panel and then open the BitLocker encryption. You can see it's encrypting. In order to check how much percentage is done, here you have this icon on the start is a drive, BitLocker encryption drive. You can see 84% is completed. Just give a moment, let it complete 100% and it's almost ready. Okay guys, you can see the C drive encryption is completed. Now you just click on close and here you can see the BitLocker is on. You can suspend protection. You can change how you would like to unlock on a startup, and you can back up your recovery key, change your pin, turn off BitLocker. You have all these options in the control panel. If you want to change the option whether you want to use pin or insert a USB flash drive or let the BitLocker automatically unlock your drive. So you have all these options. Currently you need a pin to unlock the drive because I have set the pin. If you want to change, you can just change from here. You have 3 different options. Now just close it. Let me check once at C drive. You can see the protection is turned on. Now I'll just restart this PC. You can see it's restarting. Now every time you turn on your PC, it can ask you for the pin. If you forgot the pin, you just have to press the escape key and then it can ask you for the recovery key. If you have forgot the pin and if you have forgot the recovery key also, what you guys gonna do? You are locked. Here you just put the recovery key safely while just creating a BitLocker encryption. You get a recovery key. You save it or you print it somewhere in a paper and keep it safely. Whether you saw pin also, you can just pin is as your password. You can just make a note of pin somewhere and keep it safely. So either you need to remember a pin or a recovery key in order to access your device now. So this was just to show you guys how it works. Currently I do have pin, so I'll enter my pin. And then press enter key. And I can access my device now. You can see. Okay guys, you can see finally your PC is turned on now. I've unlocked the PC. And here you go, it's a C drive protected. Now you can just this is the way how you just encrypt or turn on your BitLocker and encrypt your drive. So if you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Have a good day.